Hello, good morning, my dear friends and student. So today I am going to take a very important topic, and it is helpful for from standard 8th, 9th, and 10th. We are doing the topic is interrogator, like means how to ask question, how to form a question out of the statement. Interrogation, and it takes lot of weightage in standard 10th board paper. So how it is important, why it is important to know key formation of questions, because in comprehension also, in comprehension when you get the question you need to respond, and in negative also sometimes you need to respond negatively. So that is why it is important whether you choose, because there is a choice in standard 10th, whether you want to form a question or whether you want to give the answers in negative. So in both the scenario you need to know what type of question and how you can make the questions, right? So I will start from the standard 6 and will stop till standard 9th or 10th, right? So in standard 6, what is the first question? जब बच्चा छोटा भी होता है तो वो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन क्या पूछता है? What is this? Right? So qu'est-ce que c'est? It means what is this? Please write down the meaning also. Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this? Qui est-ce que? Qui is used for the person, right? And qu'est-ce que is used for the thing. So whenever there is written like il y a des oiseaux, there are some birds. So what question, which question I will form? What is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? It comes in singular also when the answer is in singular or plural, right? And when I am saying say Amitabh Bachchan, say Richa ma'am, so I am here talking about the person, so it will be qui est-ce que. It is for the person and this is for the thing. And irregular, there are many, there could be many people like ce sont mes parents. These are my parents. So I will ask the question same qui est-ce que. Okay. Now, comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? The pronoun will change, the pronoun will change, and the spelling of appel will change, verb will change when I will found vous. Comment vous appelez, right? Then quel âge as-tu? What is your age? Où habites-tu? Where do you live? These are the primary 5 questions that we are facing also, but we tend to forget. Now the formation when the answer is in the form of yes or no, like when your mom says Richa, Richa, do you go to park today or shopping today? What I will say? Yes, no. Then I will form the question qu'est-ce que. Okay, qu'est-ce que is the helping verb. It could be do, does, or have, has. Qu'est-ce que, and then rest of the subject as it is. This is the most easiest form. You need to put qu'est-ce que. Spelling will be Q-U-E or Q-U apostrophe according to the vowel of the subject, right? Like for example, qu'est-ce que vous prenez du pain? Do you take some bread? Right? So your answer will be oui, comma, then vous will convert into nous or je, then spelling will be changed, pronoun and du pain. Okay, yes, I'm taking some bread. Now when you have to give the answer in of course. For example, like when your mom is asking, did you go to school? So you haven't taken your breakfast. What you will say? No, of course I had. जबकि आपने मीन्स हाँ मैंने किया है कोई काम, तो उसके लिए जो क्वेश्चन फॉर्म होता है वो क्या होता है? हमेशा नेगेटिव होता है, ठीक है. क्या तुमने केक नहीं खाया था कल रात को? ऑफ कोर्स खाया था मैंने. क्या तुमने दूध नहीं पिया था? ये तो सबके पास क्वेश्चन आता है. क्या तुमने दूध नहीं पिया था? मम्मी ऑफ कोर्स पिया था. राइट. सो व्हाट हाउ वी कैन फॉर्म द क्वेश्चन? कैस का प्लस सब्जेक्ट एन ई और एन अपोस्ट्रोफ वर्ब पा प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है. द आंसर विल बी फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैस का वो न प्रणे पा द्युपा. Don't you eat? Yeah, don't you take some bread? See, now this is the negative question. So, what we have learned that article participle will be changed into de or d apostrophe before the noun, before the food. Okay? And the answer will be C. C, how you will form? C, no, prano, द ड्यू पा. ठीक है. आंसर में यू हैव टू टेक द ड्यू बिकॉज आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव. हेयर द क्वेश्चन विल बी नेगेटिव. एनी क्वेश्चन? बिकॉज यहाँ पे बच्चे बहुत मिस्टेक करते हैं. कोई क्वेश्चन? कोई नो? ठीक है. करेक्ट. नाउ द इन्वर्जन. हाउ इन्वर्जन मीन्स व्हेन द वर्ब विल कम फर्स्ट, देन सब्जेक्ट एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट. राइट. If there is a name will come out, then you need to put comma, then verb. According to the name, is it singular, plural? You have to put the pronoun. Pronoun and then object. ठीक है. If the verb is ending with vowel and pronoun is starting with vowel, so what will we do? We'll put I. I, verb, then pronoun. Clear? I hope you have understood properly. ठीक है. ये हम कर भी चुके हैं. Now, who means where. When I need to find about any place, I will use U and then the inversion. Pukwa means why. How I will know that I have to use the pukwa in this particular question? When the answer is with the past ka, because. Reasoning. Then verb, inversion I will use verb, subject, object. Con means time or birth. When. है ना? It is for the time and for the birth. Then inversion, com bhi हाँ. When it comes with the, it means how many. हाँ. When it is with the, it means how many. It is when it is without the, it is how much. They both have noun first because we are talking about how many bananas do you have. So banana is a noun. It will come here, right? How many books do you have? Combien de livres as-tu? Now a quelle heure, if I am talking about a specific time, at what time he is leaving, at what time the flight is arriving, at what time, Richa ma'am, when you will start the class. So a quelle heure, a means at, quelle means what, heure means time, then inversion. Now comma has the choice that it could be with the noun also, it could be with the verb also. How? अभी हमने यहाँ किया था comma tuple noun, it is with the subject first and then it is with the noun or subject. ठीक है. Subject and then verb. Como est ton frère? How is your brother? Como est. A is verb, est, ton, your, fair, brother, right? Como has two options, nu and vous. Now the fourth category is there are some questions that are fixed in French. You need to likely just change the pronoun like tu or vous accordingly. Like quel temps fait-il means, now here I am talking about what? Quel temps fait-il? I am talking about the weather. Il fait beau, il fait froid. Huh? Combien ça coûte? How much is this? Now fifth is adjective interrogative. Adjective interrogative means the question quel is what, but it will change according to the gender and the numbers. For example, quel without s is masculine singular. Quels is masculine plural. For the things, it is feminine singular. Quels feminine plural. Okay, it is also with the noun and the verb, then possession. Means quel est ton frère? Again, I am taking same question. Okay. Any problem you are facing in interrogative? This is what? This is the mind map. You need to learn how to form, how to ask the question easily. Okay. Hope you understood well. Thank you. We will come again with some new another concept. Au revoir.